everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you my very first purchase from The RealReal. I got it in the mail and I had to unbox it, so it's not an unboxing, I'm just kind of revealing. This is the box it came in. It doesn't have any words or writing on it. The first thing you will see whenever you open your package is this really cute little envelope that says thank you, The RealReal. And inside of it, it comes with, let me see, the RealReal authentication card, just authenticating that these have been authenticated. How many times do I need to say that? And then it comes with this cute little letter from the founder, and it comes with your invoice on what you got. On the listing, it will show you if it's going to come with new in box, if it's going to come with dust bag, no dust bag. Mine said that it wasn't going to come with a dust bag, but The RealReal did send their cute little dust bag, so I'm very happy with that. It came packaged very nicely. Okay guys, so I got the beautiful YSL Tribute, Classic Tribute, and the heel height is 75, and it's just these beautiful, beautiful patent leather. They're like a blush pink, and they're just gorgeous. They're gorgeous, and the best thing that whenever I got them out, I was like scoping them out everywhere, and these have not been used. It did not state that in the description. It did say that they were in excellent condition, but it didn't come with the dust bag. It didn't come with box, stuff like that, but it did not tell me that they were, they didn't say that they were brand new, and they're totally brand new. I was scoping these out. She might have maybe tried them on, something like that, but I got an awesome deal because they are totally, totally brand new. So that's that one. Let me go ahead and get the other one out. Okay, here's both of them. And they're gorgeous. And this is the bottom of it. She did take it to a shoe cobbler, and she did get this grip on. And it's kind of like a plastic grip. It's not like the gel grip that I was talking to you about in my last video. This one is like a plastic grip that you can hear. So, but it does have some roughness to it. So I think it'll be fine. And she went ahead and did that for me. So it's perfect. It's perfect. And see, you can see right through that. They didn't even take off the sticker before they did it. And then it says that I did get the size 37.5 because I am a 7.5 in US sizing in heels, and they fit perfect. The 37 was awesome. But I guess it just varies in different shoes, because in Christian Louboutin I wear a 38. So you just got to make sure you know your sizing before you order online. But yeah, I wanted to share these with you guys because, I mean, that's just totally an awesome steal. I paid almost half of the price for these. I think I forgot how much they retail. I think they're either they're like 7 or 8 or something like that. I can't remember. But yeah, they are super comfortable. I have heard from various people that these are the most comfortable heels ever. So I was like, what? I have to check that out. And yeah, I think they're perfect. I really wanted either blush pink or nude or black. And I think that I made the right decision because I got the smaller heel in the 75 in my pink ones, but if I ever get the black ones or the nude ones, I'm gonna want to get the higher heel. I just feel like it makes the foot and the shoe just look 10 times more sexier if it's higher, obviously. But they are more comfortable. I have tried these on at Nordstrom in San Diego. In my essay there, she was like, you have got to try these. They are so comfortable. She made me pretty much do like a runway catwalk in the store, and I felt like I could literally take off running in these heels. And I had on the higher heel ones, and they were just perfect, but she didn't have any of the colors that I wanted. She had a beautiful royal blue and like a reddish orange and stuff like that, and I just didn't want those colors. So I thought I would wait on them, and I found these pre-loved, and when I found them pre-loved and at the price, I was like, let's try it out, because you can return them between a certain time if you don't like them and you're not satisfied with them. So I'm super excited. I'm definitely going to keep them. I had an awesome first experience purchasing from The RealReal, and I will definitely order from them again. I like to purchase from The RealReal, and I like to purchase from Fashion File. Fashion File is another company that sells pre-loved, and they're just very accurate, and they also do their authentications before they send them out and stuff like that. So it's just awesome, and it's just very peace of mind that you're receiving something authentic. So it's really cool, and I'm very happy with my beautiful heels, and I can't wait to wear them. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and yeah, see you in my next one. Bye.